to Math Simplified for 9th Standard. Today we are starting a new chapter, Algebra Polynomials, Exercise 3.1. Introduction. A polynomial is an arithmetic expression consisting of variables and constants that involve four fundamental arithmetic operations and non-negative integer exponents of variables. So here is an example of a polynomial. So this is called the term of the polynomial. So x square is one term, 4x is another term, minus 5 is another term. This polynomial has got three terms. X is called the variable, and the exponent of the variable should be always a positive integer, or it can be 0 also. The real number multiplied with the variable is called the coefficient. So in x square the coefficient is 1, x the coefficient is 4, minus 5 is called the constant, and the degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable. Here the highest power is 2, so this is called the degree. So based on the number of terms, we can classify polynomials as monomial, binomial or trinomial. If there is only one term, then it is a monomial. If there are two terms like this, it is a binomial, and a polynomial with three terms is called a trinomial. Based on the degree, we can also classify. We can call it a constant polynomial if the degree is 0. Example, any number is also a polynomial. Its degree is 0. Linear, the degree is 1. Quadratic, the degree is 2. Cubic, the degree is 3. Exercise 3.1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials? If not, give reason. So the first polynomial. First we have to write it in the standard form. We will write 1 upon x square as x raised to minus 2 plus 3x minus 4. The denominator, when it goes to the numerator, the sign of the exponent will change. So here we can see that the exponent is a negative integer, so it's not a polynomial. Here in the sum, open the bracket, you will get like this. Here the all the exponents are positive integers, so it's a polynomial. Here if you open the bracket, you will get like this. So 1 plus 5x raised to minus 1. Here again the exponent is negative integer, it's not a polynomial. Here if you take it to the numerator, it becomes x square plus x raised to 1 plus 7. All the exponents are positive integers, it's a polynomial. Here also positive integer, it's a polynomial. In this sum, the exponent is a fraction, so it's not a polynomial. Write the coefficient of x square and x in each of the following polynomials. Here the coefficient of x square is 2 upon 5 and x is minus 3. X square here is minus 2 and x is minus root 7. Coefficient of x square is pi, x is minus 1, x square is root 3, x is root 2, and x square is 1 and x is minus 7 by 2. Write the degree of the polynomials. So degree is the highest power. So in this the variable is y and the highest power is 7. Here first you have to simplify it. Write down like this, simplification. Now the highest power is 4. Open the brackets and simplify. Then the highest power becomes 5. In this sum also, it's in the standard form. The highest power is 6. Here the highest power is 4. So the degree is 4. Rewrite the following polynomials in standard form. Here when we read in the standard form, the terms have to be written in the descending order or ascending order of the powers. So let's write first the highest power. Root 7 x raised to 3. Then comes x raised to 2. Then comes the x term. Then the constant. Here the highest power is 4. Write it down first. Then 3, then x square, and then x. Here this is already in the standard form. Here the highest power is 9y raised to 4, then comes y raised to 3 term, then y square, then y, and then minus 11. Add the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. So this is the first polynomial, we are going to add it to this. First write down the first polynomial like this, and then beneath it write down the second polynomial in such a way that the like terms should be lined up like this. So here there is no x square term, so I am going to write 0x square here. Okay, and then simple addition of the coefficients. So here it is 2 plus 15, that is 17. Minus 7 is minus 14x. 6 plus 0 is 6x square, and 6x cube. So this is the resultant polynomial. There is also another method to do it, which is also simple. I'll show you. So here again I have written it down. First polynomial I have written it like this. There is no x square term. I have written 0x square. Write down the next and then add up. So this is the second method. You simply have to write both the polynomials side by like this, and then look at the like terms. You have to add the coefficient of the like terms. Here x4 is x raised to 4. We don't have any other terms, so write it as it is. My x square also we do not, x cube also there is no other term, so as it is. X square also there is no other term, as it is. X term also is there is nothing, so only we have to do plus 9 minus 15, that is minus 6. So this is the answer. Subtract the second polynomial from first and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. So again the similar way, first write down this polynomial, write the next polynomial beneath it so that the like terms are lined up like this. Now in subtraction you should change the sign of the second polynomial. So here plus 6 becomes minus 6, minus 9 becomes plus 9. Then you should add up. So what is minus 1 plus 9? It is plus 8. Plus 6 minus 6 is 0x, and 7x square as it is. So this is the resultant polynomial. Degree is 2. So here is another sum. First write down the first polynomial. Second polynomial does not have y square. You can leave it as it is, or you can write plus 0 y square. Even that is okay. Constant also it does not have, so I am just leaving it as it is. Now just add up. This is 2 minus 7y minus 7y is minus 14y, 6y square as it is, minus y cube. So this is the answer. Or you can write the second polynomial within brackets like this, the first polynomial as it is, and then you have to subtract the second polynomial. Open the bracket, this becomes minus 7y minus y cube. Now look for same terms, like terms. So minus y cube as it is, because there is no other minus y cube. Y square also as it is, 6y square. Minus 7y is minus 14y and plus 2. So here is another sum. So write down the first polynomial minus the second, write the second in the bracket. Now open the bracket, all the sign will change. This will become minus 6z square, plus will become minus 10z plus, minus will become plus. When you multiply with minus, minus into minus is plus, so it is plus 7. Now look for like terms, z raised to 5 as it is, minus 6z raised to 4 as it is. Here is plus z and minus 10z. So this becomes minus 9z. And the constant term is also 7 only. So this is the answer. What should be added to this polynomial to get the second polynomial? So let the polynomial we are going to add be px. So we are going to add px to the first polynomial to get this second polynomial. So this is how the equation looks. So what does this mean? Px is equal to this polynomial, second polynomial, minus the first. So write it down like this, and then you can do subtraction like this, or the second method, whatever method you like. You can open the brackets and add the like terms, or you can write it like this and do. So first you write the first polynomial, write down the second beneath it with the like terms lined up like this. Since it's subtraction, you have to change the sign. This plus will become minus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So now 15 minus 8 is 7, plus 6x plus 5x is plus 11x, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8x square, 3 minus 2 is 1, so x cube. So this is the answer. What must be subtracted from this polynomial to get the second? So here let the polynomial be px. We are subtracting it from the first polynomial to get the second. So what this means is px is equal to first polynomial minus the second. So similarly, you can do the subtraction. Here I have opened the bracket. So here when you open, the sign will change. Minus 3x cube, minus into minus, plus, plus x cube, minus into plus is minus 2x, and minus into plus is minus 1. Now you can add the like terms. So x raised to 4 as it is, then x cube also as it is, x square is here. So 4 plus 1, 5x square, and 3x minus 3x is here, minus 2x is here. So it is minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5x, 7 minus 1 is 6. Multiply the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. So multiplication of polynomials. So this is an example. So here first write down x square, x and constant. Then take the first polynomial, write the coefficient of x square here. There is no coefficient of x, so 0, and the constant is minus 9. Here beneath it, write the coefficient of x square, 6, 7 and minus 2. Now simple multiplication, what you have been doing. Minus 2 into minus 9 is 18. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Then 7 into minus 9 is minus 63. 7 zeros are 0. 7 ones are 7. Then 6 nines are minus 54. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. Then add up, you will get like this. Now these are the coefficient of the resultant polynomial. So this is the constant. Minus 63 multiply with x, minus 56 with x square, 7 with x cube, and 6 with x raised to 4. Write it down like this and you will get the answer. So this is the second sum. Here also there are only two terms, so x and constant. So first polynomial, write the coefficient of x and constant here, coefficient of x and constant here, do the multiplication and you will get the answer. This is the answer. You have to multiply, this is constant, multiply this with x and this with x square. Another method is to open the brackets. So here write both the polynomials within brackets and you are going to open the bracket. So take the first term of the first polynomial, multiply with the second term like this, and take the second term and multiply with the second polynomial. So like this, 7x into 15x minus 9 plus 2 into 15x minus 9. Now you know how to open the bracket. 7 into 15 x square. Then 7x minus into minus 9, that is minus 63x. 2 into 15x is 30x. 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. Now you saw like terms you add, you will get this as minus 33 and this is the resultant polynomial. So here there are another two polynomials. We are going to multiply them. So put them both in brackets like this. Then take each term and multiply with the second polynomial. So 6x square into 5x minus 7 minus 7x into 5x minus 7 plus 1 into 5x minus 7. Open the brackets, add the like terms and you will get the answer. The cost of chocolate is x plus y and Amir bought x plus y chocolates. Find the total amount paid by him in terms of x and y. If x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5, find the amount paid by him. The amount paid by Amir is the cost of a chocolate into the total cost chocolates purchased. So the cost of each chocolate is x plus y. Total chocolates purchased is also x plus y. Now open the bracket, you will get this expression. Then put x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5 here and substitute, you will get the answer. The length of a rectangle is 3x plus 2 units and its breadth is 3x minus 2 units. Find the area in terms of x. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. They have given you the length, they have given you the breadth. You have to multiply both. So when you open the bracket, you will get this expression. Or this is also an algebraic formula like x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. I have used that. So here it is. Now you do it, you will get 9x square minus 4. Or you can ordinarily open this bracket, 3x into 3x minus 2 plus 2 into 3x minus 2. Even then you will come to the same answer. You will get this. Now put x is equal to 20 here. So if you put 20, 20 square is 400. 9 into 400 minus 4. So this becomes 3600 minus 4, that is 3596 square units. Px is a polynomial of degree 1, Qx is a polynomial of degree 2. What kind of polynomial is Px into Qx? Px has a degree 1, Qx has degree 2. So the multiplication of these two polynomials is a polynomial of degree 1 plus 2. We have to add the degrees of both the polynomials, that is 3. It is a cubic polynomial. So here ends the exercise. Please go through the video once again, pause the video in each sum and practice them.